What's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to shift in a wheelie. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can either use bump shifting or the clutch. If you don't know how to bump shift, you're basically just giving a gas, letting off, and shifting right as soon as you let off and they get back on. So I'm going to show you how to do that in a wheelie real quick. Now you can like shift basically anywhere in a wheelie, from pretty much right at the ground to higher up, but I think the sweet spot for shifting in the wheelies is like just barely right under balance point, where you're kind of chasing but you're not too low, you're not too high. So I'm going to kind of show you where that place is right now. We'll pop it up. This is like balance point, so we'll drop it just a little bit and shift, and we're just going from second to third. And then you could do that as many times as you really want. You probably wouldn't really want to shift through a whole bunch, but we're up to fourth, fifth, sixth. I'm gonna shift down. I only got to fifth, but whatever. You can do that as many times as you want. The higher you shift, the more the bike will kind of kick when you do it. The lower you shift, the more it's like you're going to be getting less powerful in the higher gear you go. So if you shift too low, you might shift up and your bike kind of doesn't really have the power to keep chasing out. So just kind of really got to be in like this sweet spot, like right under balance point. I'll show you one more time. This time I'll bump shift because I have been using the clutch shift, so I'll just bump shift to kind of show you. But yeah, just pop it up right under balance point. You'll notice I am getting speed because it's under balance point. So under balance point, you're chasing. That's kind of where you want to be. Now, I wasn't gonna like, this is something I should say in the beginning of the tutorial, but the reason I'm saying it now is because I just want to get right into the information for the people who just want that information, and then the people who care about being safe afterwards can hear what I want to say about being safe. So if you don't know how to catch your bike from going too far back with a foot brake, I would not recommend learning this at all, because I've seen, like in the Killicams video, like some guy looped his FZ07 one time because he got up there and shifted and looped. I haven't seen that happen to anybody personally, I don't think, but it's definitely a real possibility. I mean, there's plenty of times where I've had to catch myself from going too far back from the shift, but I know how to foot brake, so it's not a problem for me, you know. But yeah, if you don't know how to do that, I definitely wouldn't recommend that you do this. 100% would recommend you learn foot brake first. And if you're trying to learn to shift in a wheelie so that you can chase wheelies longer, I wouldn't recommend that either. I mean, you really want to keep learning wheelies as low speed as possible, because the faster you go, the more you're going to hurt, and the more your bike's going to be destroyed when you crash, if you crash. So definitely recommend you just keep it low speed if possible. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tune in for the next tutorial. I'm gonna roll a stoppie, and see you guys later. Damn, these Johns are getting good.